What's going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a good Sunday. So before I start the video, I'm gonna do a quick channel update. So if you're not interested, just skip past it. But I have been thinking how I can be a little bit more disciplined with this channel, because lately I've just been waiting for cool stuff to happen, and then I get it on video, and then I just post it. So I want to be a little bit more disciplined with my videos. So now I'm going to be uploading a video once a week. It'll usually be Sunday morning, because I know that's most likely when a lot of people aren't doing a lot of stuff, and so they're more likely to watch this stuff. So that being said, on to today's video, and that is I am going to be showing you guys my bike. So I plan to be doing a lot of ATVing content, so I figure you guys should probably see what I'm riding while I go on these wild, stupid adventures. So this is my 2006 Honda TRX300EX. It's basically completely stock, which I think is kind of cool, but I do have the wheels and tires off of a 400 on here, just because I like the square better than the round. They come stock with tires that more do this, but the square, I feel like it's more stable on dirt and stuff and more consistent. So stuff I've done to it pretty much is just I've put stickers on it because I am a stupid teenager. Oh, these were some knockoffs I got in some knockoff Hoonigan stickers I got in Arizona from this dude at a flea market. It was pretty sick. This is Bodie and I's merch that we're gonna be making. By the way, merch is dropping, and I will have a way for you guys to buy it. It'll drop as soon as I hit 150 subscribers. So if you're new here, subscribe. If not, share it with your friends, because I know y'all want some rowdy merch. All right? Okay. So that came with the GoPro that I'm filming this video on right now. And that's just a Metallica sticker. Painted the wheels black. They're kind of dirty right now, but you know, that's cool. She still has some sand on the stuff because of the trip I just went on to Sand Lake. Planning another one soon, and that'll probably be next week's video, probably. I'm not sure, but we will see. Alright. So I really like this bike because it's maybe down on power compared to like 400s and 450Rs and like Banshees and stuff like that, but you know what, it's a ton of fun. And out here in the dirt, because it is just a farm bike, I can do pretty much everything I need to do. And if I go to the dunes, it's still a ton of fun, and I just really enjoy having to actually drive the bike hard in order to get any speed out of it. I find that a lot more fun than just, you know, having unlimited power all the time. But that being said, I'll give you guys a quick, I guess it won't be a cold start, but it is cold out here, so I'm gonna start it up while the weather is cold. She's a little low on fuel. I better put some gas in that. Alright, so thanks for watching today, guys. I know it's kind of a simple video. It's not all that cool. I'm not doing anything awesome, but it's just going to provide context for upcoming videos and stuff. So, I guess like, subscribe, and share. Sharing would be nice because we all want to get to 150 subscribers so the merch can come out. See you next time.